Hello. I clean the room. It's funny, whenever I'm on camera, I never know which mental persona that I am going to become. I guess I know who my true self would be, though. Of course. And it's not who I used to be. But is it an update? I don't know. Well, updates. New phone, new job, better habits, more self-aware, more present with my negative emotions too, but kind of want to up my dosage a little bit on my mental health meds. Gotta do laundry, clean the bed. I'm about to put some flip-flops on. Just walked. I love you, Maya. She's so precious. I feel like I look pretty today. I don't know. Not like I'm ugly or anything, but some days I just don't feel it. And I'm embracing my little curls, even though they're kind of frizzy, and my messed up braid, but it's kind of true to my energy, I guess. If I work tomorrow, but I want to make this house nice and comfy for me to do some sort of art, if you know what I mean. The goal is to have everything clean. I'm gonna do it after video. The couch can be cleaner. You could also use a new couch, by the way, if you want to be the one to fund that. I sometimes notice out of nowhere that my house is really cute. We've come such a long way. I'm hearing voices, and it's my boyfriend, because my boyfriend's not here. Oh, I see. There's people just analyzing our yard right now. Very interesting. I'm just gonna act like I don't see it. But that was kind of weird. Interesting. Why are you in front of my yard? Oh, I have anxiety sometimes. I wonder if they saw me, and they probably did. They're probably not saying anything bad anyway. I'm just gonna continue pretending like I'm doing normal stuff, because that's what I am doing. Cleaning up my house. Really, Maya? She messed up my thing. I feel kind of weird, but I'm just gonna act like that didn't bother me. So, I should put this on a mount while I guess I'm not gonna think too much of it. We're a young couple who bought a house, and that is just something maybe we need to talk about, and that is okay. I don't need to feel weird about it. I'm just a little stoned, but I'm not gonna lie. I think they saw me, I'm not sure. But I'm just gonna act like that didn't happen. I'm taking my dog's chain off. She's licking my foot. Maya, stop. She's so cute. So, that's still clearing, but it's okay. Anyways, back to what I was saying. I'm starting to realize that I love our house, even though there's some things that we gotta fix up, that we would like to fix up, and finish up, and learning to love every part of, I guess, living, even the parts that are kind of weird and awkward. Learning not to take life so seriously, and just take the steps at a time, do the things that I love, and love it while I'm doing it. Do what I love and love what I do. It's really weird to do some sweeping in the sunlight because it seems to just brush up all the freaking dirt. I'm gonna turn this fan on. So these are one of the scenarios where I talk about in one of my videos that if you have PTSD, you probably are familiar with the feeling of that. If you hear anybody talking, you're the one who has your window up, but if you hear someone talking outside and you think they're talking about you and they're saying little things about you or they hate you, I'm just learning not to take it so serious. Go away with it. What the heck, you know? I realize